You ever open the fridge knowing nothing new appeared in there? I'm telling you. So my mom usually gets paid. She used to get paid like every first of the month, and she would have work. I'm sitting there in the crib going, oh, man, I can't wait till she comes back. I need some more snacks, bro. Then I'm sitting there, just I keep on opening the fridge, trying to find something new. I know dang well ain't nothing new in there. There's no magical wand that's gonna make something appear in the fridge.